Okay, I'm going to explain how to play a great Muddy Waters song called Hootchie Cootchie Man. So I'll play a little bit along with the CD and then I'll stop and talk about the three parts.
The gypsy woman told my mother before I was born, you got a boy child's coming. You're gonna be a son of a gun. You're gonna make pretty women's jump and shout. Then the world wanna know it's all about what you're gonna hear. I got a black cat bone.
This is a great tune. Okay, it's basically, let's see, 3 or 4 parts. It's based on a blues, but it's not exactly like a blues. It's a little bit longer form than 12 bars. The first part sounds like this. And so I've got my first finger on the 2nd fret of the 4th string. I'm going to pick the 5th string and the 4th string together. So it's like that. Then my little finger is going to play the 5th fret of the 5th string. And then the 2nd fret of the 4th string again. And then the 3rd fret of the 5th string with a little pull. So it's together, 5th fret, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, chord. 2, 3. 2, 3. So I'm going pretty slow. 2, 3. 2, 3. So he does that twice before he starts singing. Or let me think, maybe just once. 2, 3. Gypsy woman told my mother before I was born. Okay, so that's the main part of the verse. And then before he goes into the D chord, you know, it's a blues and A, so it's going to A and a D and an E chord. He plays triplets. He goes. Then when he plays the D chord, he has this great pattern. My first finger's on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and I play the 4th string open twice. Then on the 4th string, 3rd fret, 4th fret. So let's do that again. And then these 2 chords again. And then my little finger's up to the 5th fret on the 3rd string, along with the 3rd string open. So it's slower. 2, 3, and 4, and then back to A. Now when he's on the A this time, he's doing that same pattern with his fingers moved over. So I start here with my 2nd finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and pick the 5th string open. Twice, 3rd fret, 5th, 4th fret, 5th, and this chord again twice, and then up to the 5th fret on the 4th string. So once again, let's do D. 2 times on D, 2 times on A. 2, 3, here's D, go. Here's A. Probably wouldn't be a bad idea to practice those 2 chords. Let's do it one more time. D. 2, 3, 4. A. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's just one measure. So my first finger is on the 5th string, 2nd fret, with the 6th string open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's D. Now here's the turnaround, which is really cool. So, it starts out with an open 5th string, and then this high A with my little finger. So it's 5th, and high A. Now I'm going to put my first finger across 4 strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then using my right hand like this, not played up here, but I'm going to pick the 5th string, and then use my second finger to pick the 4th string, and my second finger picks the 2nd string. So. I could do it also with my ring finger. Now, in essence, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these 2 notes on the 4th string and 2nd string up 1 fret each. So it sounds like. Now here I need to switch fingers. Oops, that's a little tune. 2 and 3 and 4 and string open, 4th string open, then the piece starts over. So now play along again with it, and you can check it out how this works.
I just want to tell my mother, before I was born, you got a boy child's coming. You're going to be a son of a gun. You're going to make pretty women's jump and shout. Then the world want to know it's all about what you
D. E, D, turn around.
I got a black cat bone. I got a mojo.
Okay, I think that'll hold.